Hello everyone, today I'm making the melting moments using only cake flour, not maizena. Okay, like I promised. Okay, I've got 500 grams of butter, soft butter. Just going to loosen it up a bit. Okay, and then I'm going to add half a cup of oil. This is vegetable oil. Let that go for a bit. And then I'm going to add a dash of vanilla extract for that flavor. And this is 1.5 cups of icing sugar that's also going in. I'm going to mix this now for about 5-6 minutes, and then I'm going to add the icing sugar. Okay, now I'm going to add the icing sugar. You don't have to add 1.5 cups. I'm just going to, you can add 1.25 cups of icing sugar, or even just 1 cup of icing sugar. I'm adding extra because I want my biscuits to be a bit on the darker side. Okay, and this I'll also mix now for a nice few minutes. Just gonna scrape down sides. We get everything. There we go. Okay, that's been 5 minutes. And now I'm going to add the flour. And this is 5 cups of flour. Now with this recipe you must just make sure at the end it's the consistency you like. So it's 5 cups of flour, cake flour. I'm going to add half. Just mix it through with a spoon. And then what we want is when I push the dough through the nozzle, there must be ridges on the ridge, and I'll explain to you now. So you want a fairly soft dough that you can deal with. This dough you won't be able to pipe it through a piping bag. You're gonna need a biscuit gun. Okay, I am gonna go in with my hands just now, clean hands. Okay, there we go. And I'm just gonna bring this together. Also feel with my hand if it's too dry. If it's too dry, add a tablespoon of oil. Too wet, add a couple of tablespoons of flour. Okay. Feel nog pitjes. So I I like it. Stir. Okay, and we'll be right back. Okay, so I see it's soft enough, but not to my, I want it a bit more drier. So I'm going to add a couple of tablespoons of flour. This is about actually half a cup. So it's 5.5 cups of flour, and you'll see now why. So this now depends, the amount of flour depends on how soft your butter was. Okay. Okay, I'm happy with that. Yes. It has that touch and it doesn't stick to your hand. Okay, next it's just about putting it through the nozzle. And my oven is preheating on 180 degrees Celsius. It bakes for about 12 minutes. Okay, let me just get done with this. Okay, so now I'm going to take my dough. I'm going to take some push it in a nozzle, star nozzle, and then press it on there. Okay, show you. See, I know this is the outdated way of doing it, but it works. Press some more in. Now normally, when these were made years ago, there were no distractions. Everyone came to help. There we go. I see the ridges. Perfect. Okay, so that's good. Now we're going to press in more. There we go. And I'll continue doing this. I'll also do the ones where I press it down. And then, if you get now tired of doing this, the leftovers, add a bit more flour. Roll it out between 2 sheets of baking paper and make you some different shapes with a cookie cutter. Okay, so I'll show you now the ridges. The ridges have ridges. Okay, you see, now I just press it down. There we go. Perfect. And I'm just gonna carry on. Okay, now I'm also making some flowers. And you just, all you do is you press it down. There we go. Easy peasy. One last one. So just with the last 5 cups of flour, if you feel it's too dry, add a little oil. Too wet, add a little flour. There we go. I'm going to use some of these sprinkles on top. Some pink sprinkles. Just press it in the middle. There we go. Obviously a lot of them is going to fly off, but we're good with that. Come in. I'm going to just carry on with that. Okay guys, there's the finger biscuits. And here's the little flour ones. They're all out of the oven. And the leftover dough, I rolled out on a floured surface and cut out with a round cookie cutter, and I baked it as well. And these I'm all going to dip in some chocolate. I'm not sure yet if I want to do anything here. I'm going to put chocolate on it. Will probably be at the bottom of it, but let's see. And we'll be right back. Okay, I'm going to use 3 of my chocolate. This is 175 grams worth. Each slab is 85 grams. I'm going to melt this, break it up, melt it in the microwave for about 2 minutes, stir, and then I'm going to dip and decorate. Okay. Okay, so I've melted the chocolate. And now these biscuits, waar is die lig? These biscuits, I'm just brushing on some melted chocolate. You see? Makes it easy. And just put it down, carry on. Looky. You don't have to struggle. Okay, it's almost like a love bite. Here we go, and I'll just continue with these. Wait, let me show you what's happening. See, it's gonna dry there and get hard. Okay, and that's that one's. You can also do the exact same with your finger biscuits. You don't want to mess with a brush. If you don't have the brush, just dip it in. Okay, these ones I'm going to dip in halfway, all the way up to you. Okay. There we go. I'll also put that here. These are the same. Just help it along with the brush. There we go. Biscuit. I'm gonna carry on now, guys. Okay, guys, now I'm just waiting for the chocolate to set, and then I'll go outside, put it on my favorite table, and do some photos as well. Okay, guys, we're outside. Look at that. And look at the clouds in the sky. They seem so happy now. Okay, and here it is, guys. Look at that. Easy peasy. Bring it closer. And there it is, guys, my melting moments using only flour. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll be back again with another video soon. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Love you guys. Love you guys. Bye bye.